We're back on our Gladiator, and we have a few projects today, but this is the main one. You can see that's not good. We got to replace that. We blew it out. At the same time, we're going to get rid of our extension here and just put a longer shock on there. So other side's already done. You can see this is the extension I pulled out, and we're going to put some full-length Bilsteins in and not have that anymore. That's one change we're going to do. The other thing, this is already done, but this is from Clayton Off-Road, and it's a bracket for your sway bar mount so you don't rip this off the frame. Basically makes it double shear instead of single shear, and it ties it back further. Then we will install a skid plate right here, because I've already hit those a few times. Get these fixed up, and put it back together. Well, here we are. Got the new Bilsteins in, no more mess on the floor. Got our new Clayton Off-Road lower control arm skid plates installed. And as I showed you before, the rear sway bar reinforcement brackets. So hopefully we're good for a while. Down here anyways.